How to sign up for Happn using Google account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can sign up for Happn using your Google account. Firstly, open your Happn application on your mobile device and navigate to the home screen. On the home screen, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. Tap on this option to begin the sign up process. You will be prompted to enter your first name. Type in your first name and then click on the arrow at the bottom of the screen. Here you will need to enter your birthday. Click on this box and you will see a box with a slider that you can adjust to select your birth year, month and day. Once you have selected your birthday, tap on OK and click on that arrow at the bottom. Now the next step is to add a profile picture. Tap on the plus icon to select a photo from your gallery or library and select a photo. After selecting a photo, you can adjust the position and size of the photo if needed. After making the adjustment, tap on the Save below. The next step is to select your interest. You will see a list of interests categorized. If you want to add more details to your profile such as height, hobbies or interests, you can do so on this screen. You can also skip these steps by clicking on Skip button at the top of the screen. Finally, you will need to agree to the Happn's terms and conditions by tapping on Agree. You may also ask to enter your city and allow Happn to access your location. Congratulations, you have successfully signed up for Happn using your Google account. You can now start exploring the app and connecting with others. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.